Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and FastestVPN. So to get started with a quick overview analysis, ExpressVPN is known for its consistent fast speed across a large global server network, making it reliable for streaming, gaming and browsing without lag. It uses advanced technology to keep connection stable and fast even during peak time. Talking about FastestVPN, FastestVPN marked itself as a speed-focused service with a affordable plan and a decent performance. While it can deliver good speed on some server, it generally doesn't match ExpressVPN's overall speed consistently on network size, which can affect good and speed during high traffic or a long distance connection. And here's our conclusion about these two platforms. So for fastest and most reliable speed in 2025, ExpressVPN usually outperform FastestVPN, especially if you need a top-tier streaming or gaming performance. So FastestVPN is a budget-friendly option that may be fast enough for casual use, but won't match ExpressVPN's speed consistency. And that's it.